Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel, Isabel Cooking. And for today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an easy pepper steak. So okay guys, I have here a kilo of beef and a tablespoon of shredded garlic, sweet paprika, black pepper powder, salt to taste, Worcestershire sauce, oyster sauce, dark soy sauce. It's about a tablespoon, guys. And a tablespoon of brown sugar, and yes, a 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and a 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, a teaspoon of cayenne powder, and a tablespoon of cornstarch, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So yes guys, marinate lang natin ng 30 minutes or 20 minutes. Okay, heat up cooking pan or wok and add 2 tablespoons of oil and add the marinated beef on medium high heat for about 15 minutes or until it begins sizzle. Then add a sliced capsicum, green and red, and sliced onions. Stir fry for about 2 minutes. Yes guys, and add a splash of sesame oil. And garnish with spring onions. It's a very simple, guys. Okay guys, it's almost done and removed from heat and ready to serve. So guys, it's yummy. So yes guys, you can serve with rice, okay, or noodles. So guys, if you enjoyed this post, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and press the bell icon to get notification every time I post a new video. Thank you. Stay safe and God bless. Bye.